How to add minimize and maximize button in Excel user form. Open Excel and then press Alt plus F11 to open user form. You can see here, this both button that how it's working. So, at first download or copy the code from the description box and paste it in a module. And don't worry of any errors because this code will works in both Win32 and Win64-bit PC. And then open the user form, go to user form initialize, paste this both to call maximize and minimize. Now it's all okay, you can see the maximize and minimize button with working progress. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.